lately I've been playing with ChatGPT. So I was I grabbed I was googling like a chat app, like an old school tutorial, and it didn't work, right? I went back and forth over and over again, over and over again, over and over again, over and over again. It's a very long chat to make this Python app work. So let's do CMD. So let's enable it. So or activate the environment. Environment activated. Yeah, activated right here. Corner. Has create the movie. I'm gonna delete all the data. So the video works. That's created. So this project literally, well, it's someone else's code, but it's still, I made it work, so that's all that matters. Music. Let's change the. It's like. Let's run it. Hopefully, I'm not debug. It's kind of slow. I would just do some magic. Yeah, it's grabbing it. Let's just see if you have it. Oh, generating the thing. It's generating the video over here. Over here. As you see in the corner. Try the MP3. That's really slow. But I want to code manually eventually and make it work. Let's watch the video. And it goes a post after 5 minutes because I already put I need to put the API with the YouTube. So yeah, it's gonna post, but I can watch it. So yeah, this is script to generate automatic content. So these are basically the top posts, and then this is the JSON, and these are the pictures it grabs. So I don't know what's the point of posting 5 minutes. It's kind of dumb. It's just keep going, but that's how you like code with ChatGPT. Just get cloned and then just keep on going back and forth with it. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and then eventually your app will get built. For something really complex, I don't think it's gonna work, but something like simple, well, this is fairly complex already, so. Has I redid all this. Actually, redid all this code. I mean, better. I should factor it again, but I'm surprised it worked. So I'm officially a copy and paste programmer. That's all I know how to do is copy and paste and make shit work. I can't code for beans. My algorithms suck. So don't be afraid to build things, man. But since programmers don't have jobs anymore, whatever. I just for fun. If you enjoyed this video, hit a like, and then hopefully you learn something. And ChatGPT is great for coding, explaining math. I wish I had this tool when I was young. It's great. that it can explain everything in like layman terms, and it's great that it can help you code, debug. Literally, like debugging, like these stuff right here, the debugging will take me like hours to figure out. But with this, it just takes me like 10 minutes to debug or 30 minutes, which is freaking amazing. So you just copy and paste the error code in your code and it goes through. It's pretty cool. Does this prevent people from getting jobs? Yeah, it's gonna kill a lot of jobs, but you still gotta know some things. But you also can create a lot of businesses from like ChatGPT. It brings lots of it create a lot of jobs, but also kill a lot of jobs. And you also know how to use it. Be like a prompt engineer. Play with the tool. But yeah, thanks for watching, and this is my boring tutorial of ChatGPT and uses. So yeah.